Welcome to the Tasty House. Today we are going to make the 5 delicious recipes that you can easily make at home. Whether you are looking for a quick dinner idea or a tasty snack, these recipes are sure to satisfy you. With just a few simple ingredients, you'll be able to create a dish that is packed with flavor and nutrition. So grab your apron and let's get started. For more delicious recipes, if you did not subscribe the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to get all the notification. Thank you so much. So let's start.